Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to guide you through the hassle-free process of registering for a John Hancock 401k plan. Follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure your retirement savings are on the right track. Step 1. Gather necessary information. Before you begin the registration process, make sure you have all the necessary information handy. This includes your social security number, your employer's name and identification number, your bank account details for contributions, beneficiary information. Step 2. Visit the John Hancock website. Go to the official John Hancock website. You can easily find the 401k registration page by navigating to the retirement section. Look for the link that says Enroll in your 401k or similar. Step 3. Create your account. If you are new to John Hancock, you will need to create an account. Click on the Register or Sign Up button. Fill in your personal information, including your name, email address, and password. Make sure to choose a strong password to keep your account secure. Step 4. Enter your employment information. After creating your account, you will need to input your employment details. This includes your employer's name, your job title, and any other required information that verifies your employment status. Step 5. Set up your contributions. Next, you will be asked how much you would like to contribute to your 401k plan. You can choose a percentage of your salary or a fixed dollar amount. John Hancock offers various investment options, so take your time to understand each option before making your choice. Step 6. Choose your investments. Once you've set your contributions, you'll want to select where to invest your money. John Hancock typically offers a range of investment options, including target date funds, stock and bond funds, and more. Consider your risk tolerance and retirement goals when making this decision. Step 7. Designate your beneficiary. It's crucial to assign a beneficiary to your 401k account. This ensures that your assets will be distributed according to your wishes in the event of your passing. Fill out the required information for your beneficiary or beneficiaries. Step 8. Review and submit your application. Take a moment to review your enrollment application. Make sure all the information is accurate and complete. After confirming everything is correct, submit your application. Step 9. Confirmation. You will receive a confirmation email once your application has been processed. Keep this email for your records, as it may contain important information regarding your account and next steps. Step 10. Monitor your account. After enrollment, regularly monitor your 401k account to ensure your contributions and investments are aligned with your retirement goals. John Hancock provides online access to your account, making it easy to keep track of your progress. Thank you for following along with this step-by-step guide on registering for a John Hancock 401k. We hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Happy saving!